All right, here's another nice stock looking Chevy pickup in 1971 Chevrolet C10. This particular truck, very similar to how it would have come from GM in 1971. Ochre is the color of this, and that is still what it appears to be. I'm sure it's had a repaint along the way, but still very similar to the original GM color. Would have had a saddle interior, vinyl bench seat, still the way it sits this day. Also very highly optioned truck in 1971. This had the 4-season air conditioning in it, power steering, power brakes. So factory equipped AC truck, and that is all still intact. I'll get around to the other side. We'll check out the interior, check out the engine bay. But if you'd like to see the still pictures of this vehicle, you can check out the still pictures down below this video in the description. There's a link that will take you right to this truck on our website. That is uniqueclassiccars.com. And you can feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726 is the number we can be reached at. The engine in this truck, 350 V8 Chevy engine underneath there. That's paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It is an era correct 350 engine, judging by the casting number on it. I do not have any VIN derivatives or anything like that, so I can't tell you that is the original engine, but it would be era correct 350 V8 underneath there. As you can see, the paint's in nice shape. I would call the driver quality paint. Is it perfect? No, but does it still show nice? Absolutely. See up and down the side of this truck, not full of nicks, dings, scratches, pretty darn straight truck. Like I said, very original to how it would have came back in 1971 from General Motors. Take a peek at the interior. There's a vinyl bench seat, automatic shift on the column. Again, turbo 350, automatic transmission in this, very highly optioned. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. See the bed's in nice shape, wood's in good shape with the stainless back here. Again, I'd consider this a very nice driver quality truck. Now, we do consider trades. Financing's available. We do have lenders that will work with us on these classics that we sell. And we can also assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. We can be more than happy to help you out with the transportation. Once again, check out those still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Easiest way to get there. Down below this video in the description, there's a link that you can click on. It'll take you right there. Once again, our number, 507-386-1726. If you have any questions, if you'd like to discuss getting this to where you're located at. Again, take a look at this side. Paint in nice shape, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. You're going to find imperfections here and there along the way. Yeah, maybe some minor ones, but overall, very nice driver quality paint, nice driver quality truck. Let's check out the interior of this. Still retains the stock dash, wheel, just a neat old stock looking truck that has had some paint done to it. Obviously been gone through along the way somewhere. Interior still in very nice shape. I'm guessing those are seat covers that have been added to the bench seat and redone. Let's go ahead and start this up. So you can hear it run. Tachometer works. Here's the fuel gauge works. Also have the battery gauge went up. Temperature, I'm assuming, is going to come up under temperature, and oil pressure gauge does work also, as well as the dome light behind us. Now, I have not had this blowing cold. The compressor and everything is all hooked up. I haven't really played around with it a whole lot. Yeah, there it went. The AC compressor did kick on, so that does function. It's a little cold in here to be able to tell if it's blowing cold or not. The compressor did turn on and off there, as you can see. Radio, I didn't mess with that a whole lot. A little static out of the speaker. Appears to be the original radio. Wipers do work. Blower fan and everything works. And like I said, compressor does turn it on and off. Can't really get any sound out of the radio, but it could be because of the building we're in too. We do have static come out of the speaker at least. Hear how smooth that V8 runs. Nicely, the door closes. Slip around here. You can hear it, nothing crazy. A little rumble out of that V8 is what you'd expect from a 71 Chevrolet C10. I'm going to come up here, pause this a second. We'll pop this hood. We'll check out that engine bay. Looks a lot like it would have when it came from GM. Nice condition. Give me a second. Let's check it out. Alright, there we go. Got the hood popped. Look how smooth that runs. Very smooth running engine. As you can see, power brakes. Got power steering down in there. AC compressor and everything intact back here. Like I said earlier, era correct engine. I can't confirm that it's the original one, but it is a 350. It is the right casting number for what would have came with this truck. There you have it, 1971 Chevrolet C10. Original color truck, very nicely equipped. If you want to check out the still pictures, check out the underside, the interior. Right down below this video, there in the description area, there's a link that'll take you right there. Our website's uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number we can be reached at 507-386-1726. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with the transportation where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.